Rejoice in the glory of the nation and do not forget to thank the soldiers. Freedom in the mind, strength in the words, pureness in our blood, pride in our hearts, and with zeal in our soul. A very good morning and a happy Republic Day to our respected principal, Reverend Father Henry, Vice Principal, Father Sanjay, Headmistress, Sister Reena, sisters, teachers, and all my dear St. Johnians. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January every year to honor the day on which our constitution came into effect and declaring the nation as a sovereign, socialist, republic and democratic. It was brought into its effect by its architect Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, also known as Father of the Indian Constitution. We all have gathered here to celebrate the 72nd Republic Day of our nation. It is a great and auspicious occasion for all of us. We should greet and each other and pray to God for the development and prosperity of our nation. As Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar said, unlike a drop of water which loses its identity when it joins the ocean, man does not lose his being in the society in which he lives. Man's life is independent. He is born not for the society alone but for his own development also. India is a democratic country and our country gives us various rights and duties and teaches us to be a better citizen. We should therefore make every effort to make our land proud and to do everything to enrich and preserve our heritage, our ethos, and our treasure. India is a great example of unity in diversity. The beauty of our country lies in the pleasantness of Bengal, shades of Gujarat, prettiness of Kashmir, and art, music, and literature of Kerala. India therefore respects all different languages, festivals, traditions, and culture. India has added another achievement by adding Rafale jets compact aircraft. It is a twin jet fighter aircraft which can perform ground and sea attacks. Despite being the second most populous country, the effect of COVID 19 was much less than the other nations because of the combined efforts of Indian government and its citizens. Adding to it, India has been successful in producing COVID Shield, a vaccine against coronavirus. This historic event is commemorated with enthusiasm and joy. On this day, spectacular parades by regiments of Indian Army, Navy, Air Force, Police, and paramilitary forces march and a display of India's defense prowess on latest missiles, aircraft, and weapon system is shown. Sky shows by the Air Force is also performed. Traditional dance troupes, representation from every state and union territory are also performed in the presence of our Honorable President and other eminent dignitaries. On this day, the bravery awards and medals are also given. Today, every corner of our nation celebrates this auspicious day by drenching themselves in the colors of patriotism. We need to give the future by loving each other, living in peace and unity. Let us therefore take a pledge that we would not let the efforts of our brave freedom fighters go in vain and strive to make our country the best. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.